Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Home Science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of chapter 14 Summary. I am repeating, today our topic is chapter 14 Summary. Students, this is our 16th lecture and 16th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 16th lecture and 16th homework. Students, take your home science book. We'll discuss the summary of chapter 14. So let's begin. Chapter 14, name, taking care and storage of clothes. We'll start with our discussion with lesson 1, name, taking care of clothes. In civilized world, we all wear dresses, but everyone cannot take care of the clothing properly. Taking care of the clothes include washing dirty clothes properly, folding accurately, and keeping them in right place. Taking care of clothes can be divided into 3 types. First one, daily care of the clothes, weekly care of the clothes, seasonal care. So a question arises, how many types are there? According to, we can divide our cloth. There are 3 types of clothes. Okay, so these are daily care of the clothes, weekly care of the clothes, and seasonal care. Okay, we'll discuss now about daily care of the clothes. The care that dresses needs every day is known as daily care of the clothes. The dress we use every day should be washed with soap during taking shower. The dress we wear outside doesn't require washing, dry under sunlight, and keep in right place. Otherwise, it will not be available while needed. Now we'll discuss about weekly care of the clothes. In weekly holidays, fix button mean dresses and wash and iron clothes. Clean the shoes, bag, etc. on the same day. It works better if we can arrange some entertainment while taking care of the clothes during weekend. We can listen music at that time to avoid monotony. If weekly care of the cloth is ensured, you will not have any tension for the following week. So, if we take care of our clothes for a week, we'll be insured for 1 week and we can enjoy our week with peace. Now, seasonal care. We have 6 seasons, though taking care of the clothes in 3 seasons is called seasonal care of the clothes. We can take seasonal care of our own clothes. At the end of summer, wash and iron the thin cotton cloths and keep them in specific place. After rainy season, just wash dresses and fold them and keep the cloths in the right place. These don't need iron. At the end of winter, it is essential to wash or dry the sweater, socks, muffler, jacket, cap, etc. under the sunlight and remove the dirt if washing is not needed and keep in proper place. By doing this, on the next year, there is no need to buy new clothes and get the things near at hand when needed. Now we'll discuss about lesson 2, name, safe keeping of clothes. To keep the clothes nice and neat, we have to keep in mind the following things. Number 1, after washing and drying, clothes should be kept properly. While washing, it is needed to keep in mind what is the fiber of the cloth. Depending on fiber, the system of washing clothes will be different. Now, number 2, for keeping for a long time in the cotton cloth, starch should not be used, otherwise it will increase the attack of insects. Number 3, silk cloths should be hanged after washing and ironing. We need to be conscious about certain things while ironing the clothes. Students, you will get some more points in your text. So please read the text properly at your home. I hope you will read the text again and will be able to understand the summary properly. Now I am giving your homework. Your homework will be 5 knowledge-based question. I'm repeating, your homework will be 5 knowledge-based question. Do 5 knowledge-based question from chapter 14. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. A lecture number is 16 and homework number is also 16. The submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.